I've been designing spreadsheets and automations for beyond 10 years. And this tripped me up myself for the first couple of years. There is a different time setting for your sheet and for your app script. So I'm going to show you in this video where to actually set the time zone. It's going to save you a lot of headache if you're using any kind of automation. This is going to help. Okay, you definitely know where to change your time zone here over on File, Settings. And then you're going to make sure your locale is correct. If you're not in the United States, got to change that. And make sure your time zone is correct. If it's Eastern time or any other time, just set it right here. And you probably know this already. But this next place, I bet you didn't even know, because I didn't even know this for years. So go to up here, Extensions, App Script. Now this sheet doesn't have any automations yet. If yours already has automations and they're firing at the wrong time, this is going to help you a lot. Go over to Project Settings on the left side. And here we have a time zone. This time zone is different and different setting than your sheet time zone. So you're going to need to change this to your time zone that you want your automations to run at. So we need to go and find Eastern Standard Time here. Here we got New York. And I don't know why, but they are slightly different. You saw in the other one there was Eastern Time. This is Toronto and New York and Indiana for some reason. You can always just pick your nearest city if you want, but change this. It's automatically saved once you change it. And so now I can write some automations. And if I use the triggers to trigger those, they'll actually run at the right times. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have two options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.